Hey y'all, so today I'm making the prettiest dessert to take to a friend's party. Start with a cup of strong coffee. I just have the bottled Stoke coffee here, and then just a little bit of Bailey's. You can, if you want to omit the alcohol, you can leave the Bailey's out, just add a little bit of cream, and set that aside. And then go ahead and get a tub of Cool Whip and a tub of mascarpone cheese and mix that together. And we're going to be making a layered dessert today. It's going to be so much fun and super, super tasty. So once we have that filling, we're going to go ahead and top it on top of these little mini eclairs. And that's going to be our first layer. So I'm going to go ahead and take the rest of the mini eclairs that we have in the box and dip them into our coffee and milk or Bailey's mixture and just go ahead and just top it. I love these little frozen mini eclairs. They're so easy to work with. Just go ahead and remember to defrost it first. And then take the other half of that whipped cream mascarpone mixture. If you can't find mascarpone cheese in your local store, you can use cream cheese, but it won't taste exactly the same. Mascarpone doesn't have that kind of like tang that cream cheese has. But go ahead and go ahead and add the second layer on. Oh, can't wait to eat this. It's so good. And then just kind of smooth it all around the top to make your top layer. Just that simple. Take the last set of mini eclairs and just kind of make a ring around it, and then just get what are these? These are cookie cutters, but they come in like the different sizes. So I thought it might be really cute to just pop that on top. And then just, like every tiramisu, we're gonna go ahead and top this with some cocoa powder. I'm just using Hershey's Special Dark here. And then just lightly tap through a little sieve. Hopefully this will make a decent little heart-shaped pattern, but we'll see. I think instead of calling this a tiramisu, this is going to be called an Eclairmisu. I think that's kind of cute. So let me carefully take these out and see if there's like a little pattern. There should be. Yeah, see, there's like a little kind of pattern. Funny. Look, it's so cute. And look at all the layers. This is gonna be so good at the party. I hope you give this one a shot. It's really good.